Looks like it's time for a Sunday shout out and mail call episode. So let's open some packages. Hey everybody, it's Rob with RobFindsTreasure, and we've got, what is this, 6 packages to open today? We've got one from FLThunder, FLThunder, one from Andrew Lewis, 2 from Troop Lowe, 1 from Gaming Unleashed, and another package from Ann Strange on YouTube. We're going to kick it off with the 4 envelopes first, and then we'll knock out the 2 packages second. So the first package is from Ann Strange. We'll go ahead and open up her package first. She wrote, "Rob, please give a shout out." So you guys heard it, Ann Strange. That's her YouTube channel. She's also got a P.O. box here, so if you want to send her something nice, that's her P.O. box. Ann also wrote, "Enclosed is some tea. Hope you enjoy." I do like tea, so Ann, thank you very much. Some organic green tea that will definitely go to good use. Hope you enjoy, and a 2000 penny. If you find anything special about the penny, please get a hold of me. If not, just keep for the channel, Ann. All right, well, you got my interest piqued, so let me go ahead and get this penny out, and I'll take a look at it under the microscope, and we'll see if I see anything strange about it. All right, Ann, looks like you sent a 2007 Denver minted penny. Just doing a quick glance at the front. That's pretty normal strike. Let me continue to look at your 2007 penny. Just checking for any machine doubling or any doubling whatsoever, first and foremost. I don't see anything on the obverse that's drawing my attention. Let's check the back. I see a little machine doubling on the F. But I don't really see anything else. Maybe one of the viewers, if you see something, let me know. In case I'm missing it, I am going a little quick for filming purposes. I'll take a look at it off camera afterwards. But I don't see anything. I don't see anything extraordinarily special about this 2007D. Looks to me like a standard 2007D regular strike penny, Ann. But either way, I'll look at it off camera. If I find something crazy, I got your P.O. box. I'll be glad to send you a note with it. Appreciate the package for sure. And more importantly, I appreciate the green tea. Thanks a lot, Ann. I'll be sure to include a link to your channel down below. If you're not subscribed to Ann, please check her out. I know she does, if not daily, pretty close to daily live streams. And you got to check her out. She's pretty cool to watch. All right. Next up, Gaming Unleashed. And if I recall, this is about a trade. So Gaming Unleashed sent me a package here. And I believe, because him and I have exchanged emails, this is most likely a request for the trade that we talked about. Let me just double check here. Hello, Rob. This is Matt, also known as Gaming Unleashed. I wanted to say how much I love your channel and the work you put in. Keep it up. Also, thanks for getting me into the hunt. Inside the cardboard, yes, it's from Pennies. Is that $20 star note with the printing error that we agreed to trade? Below is a list of items we are trading. Thanks again, and pleasure doing business with you. And for sake of purposes, I'm not going to include all of the things I decided to trade with him, but he knows what I've agreed to. So let's go ahead and pull out this $20 star note. I went ahead and checked the rarity of it prior to the trade. It's pretty common, 3.2 million print run. It is a 2001, and I don't have very many 2001 star notes, so I was happy to do the trade. But it is a common 3.2 million print run. It's got creases and folds, but I'm not picky on star notes. I love them all. So Matt, Gaming Unleashed, I will definitely send out what we agreed to trade for this $20 star note. And you should get your package by Friday of this coming week, for sure. Pretty cool, though. Thanks again, Gaming Unleashed. Once again, your channel link will be down below. Now we'll check out the packages from Troop Lowe. So Troop sent a couple of packages. Both of his packages were inquiries. I've already checked. They're inquiries about a penny that he found. All right, so the first package says, Hi Rob, I just keep finding weird pennies. If you think worth anything, I would like to have it back, please. 90% of copper is not yellow, it's orange. So looks like he sent a couple of pennies here. Let me pull them out and I'll show you what he's talking about. All right, so Troop sent me a couple of 1973 pennies. Looks like one's for comparison and one's got a gold tone. I'm going to go out on a limb before I even look at it and say it's most likely been gold plated or gold painted. I found quite a few of these. I usually don't include them in my hunts. They're pretty common, but this one looks like it was gold colored. So Troop, at the end of the day, this is going to be what's called a gold colored or gold plated 73D. Heavily scratched. Nothing special about it. Cool find nonetheless. Whenever you do hunts and you get something that's gold rimmed, it's always fun to pull it out. And then of course, it's done pretty well as far as the coloring or the plating. So I like it a lot. It's pretty cool. I don't think it's worth sending back. I don't think it has any premium whatsoever. Let me know for some reason if you want it back, but really it's just your standard gold colored, gold plated 73 copper penny. And then Troop sent another package. And he also sent a star note. All right, let's take a look at what Troop wrote. Hi, Mr. Rob. I've probably hunted about 70 boxes of pennies. I've never seen nothing like this penny. You can have the star note. I think it's worth something. I dig your live feed. It's the best out there. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate that. I don't know if it's the best, but I try to have fun and be real, but I really appreciate the nice comment. P.S. I'm from California also, and if the penny's worth anything, I'll split it with you. All right, let me get these pennies out and take a look. All right, guys, so Troop has sent a standard 85D penny to compare along with a kind of a silver toned 85D. I have found these quite a bit. This is likely someone took a silver Sharpie to it and colored it years ago, and it's slowly wearing off. Matter of fact, if you were to put a little bit of rubbing alcohol on it, what you would notice is the penny would become copper pretty quickly. I've tested a few of these in my time because I found many 74s like this, like they were trying to act like it was the aluminum scent. I'll weigh it for good measure, but I can pretty much see the copper underneath. It feels like it's zinc and copper mixed as far as the weight. And there is a little bit of extra metal or damage across there, but that's not going to add much of a premium whatsoever. Let me weigh it up, just make sure, as always, and I'll get back to you. All right, first we'll whip the 85D regular zinc scent, 2.5 pretty much on the nose. That's well within the parameters of expectations for their weight. We'll weigh yours next, 2.5. So definitely a colored zinc penny, 1985D. Nothing special whatsoever about it, except for that it does have a little bit of some extra metal maybe, or damage. A little bit of extra metal. So that's kind of cool. But then again, this penny is laden with spots. So because of that, it would be pawned off as no extra premium in my opinion whatsoever. Again, Troop, let me know if you want it back. I will gladly send it back, but I believe both the gold colored and the silver colored pennies carry no extra premium in my opinion. At the end of the day though, I appreciate the packages that you sent me. I appreciate the $1 star note. I'll add it to my collection. You know I collect them. So thanks again for your package. I don't see any YouTube channel, but if I find one, I'll put it down below. Next package is from Andrew Lewis. And he sent me a big package. It sounds like there's some coins in there. I've already busted it open just to make it a little quicker. Let me go ahead and pull out what's inside here. There should be a letter and some coins. All right, let me get this opened up. All right, guys, Andrew Lewis included a letter and a whole bunch of little packages. One says open first, one says open last, and there's writing on all of them. So what I'm gonna do first is read the letter, then we'll go back and unwrap the sticky notes and we'll take a look. Hey Rob, apparently my last package with the coins for the trade was lost in the mail, so I sent this package because I feel bad. I sent you some coins that I think you'll like. Hope you enjoy. Also, I'm putting together a set of 40 to 58 wheat pennies. Do you have a 55S wheat penny you could send me, please? I'm pretty sure I do. Thank you so much. Also, I am known to you as the guy who emails too much. You don't email me too much, Andrew. I appreciate the emails. Hope you have a good day. Hope you like my package. Happy hunting. Keep stacking. Andrew Lewis. P.S. If you want to do more trades, don't hesitate to contact me. P.P.S. Can you please show us your coin collection, bill collection? Can you please show us more metal detecting videos? And do you have an account at every bank you get hash from? Do you collect stamps? I have a bunch I can send you if you do. I have a channel. It's Andrew Lewis with no content. Okay. Can you send me a $1 star note bill, please? I can't find them anywhere. And then the final PS, keep doing the nickel hunts. They're awesome. Please excuse the handwriting. Andrew, no problem. Let me answer some of these questions. Sure, I'll do the trade, and I'll be glad to send you some stuff back. It looks like you want a star note and a 55S. I can find those in my collection and get those to you. Can you please show us your coin collection and bill collection? I plan on doing that soon, probably within the next couple of weeks. I'm still getting it organized. I'm getting some new binders in to get it more organized than it is now. Can you show us more metal detecting videos? Yeah, I plan on doing that, man. Between the heat of the summer and the rain and me being kicked off that park, I've been trying to keep it a low profile for now, but I do plan on doing that for sure. And even account at every bank you get hash from. I do. It's all Wells Fargo that I get them from today, but I plan on opening a couple more bank accounts at B of A and Chase to make sure I can diversify my hunts. I don't collect stamps yet, but if I start, I'll let you know. Other than that, man, let's get in these packages. So Andrew sent me a bunch of goodies. Couple of coins in the first package is a 63 in really good shape and a 64 penny, both in really good shape. He also sent me a 1940 nickel out of Philadelphia, as well as a 41 out of Philadelphia. A really nice 1959 penny. He knows I collect them. A beautiful 68S. Not even upgraded my collection. 459 pennies, 2 are P's and 2 are D's. He took them out of his personal collection because he knows I love 59 pennies. And I do. I collect them because they're the transition year. A lot of people don't like them because they're everywhere, but I love them. A Canadian Younghead from 1964. Really cool. He found a couple of pennies in his first roll of coins he ever hunted. Hopes I like them. They're pretty common, but he sent them to me. And honestly, they're personal because they're from his first coin roll hunting roll ever. And it's a 44 and a 45 Philadelphia wheat penny. And then also an 83 off-center strike with a double rim. Pretty cool. And then finally, he sent me a 1990 P dime. It's also off-center. Found it while I was coin roll hunting. I'll always take an off-center dime to add to the collection. He wanted me to open this last, so I figured I'd wait. And we'll open it last. We got a Buffalo. 1925 Philadelphia Mint Buffalo. Wow. I love the Buffalo nickels. Andrew, that is a great package. Got lots of coins I can add to my collection. Much love, brother. I'll remember to send you a star note and a 55S for sure. I should get the package out on Monday or Tuesday. You should get it by this week. Guys, the last package is from FLThunder. That is his YouTube name. His name is actually Rob as well. He always affectionately refers to himself as the other Rob. Either way, man, he's an awesome guy. This is really not coin-related stuff, but he knows I'm a Buccaneers fan. So he wrote, Rob, thought you would like more Buck stuff since we live in their home port, LOL. Hashtag Fitzmagic, Denise. FLThunder digging with Rob's best half. That's awesome. So it's from Rob's wife, Denise. That's really cool. It's a good package, guys. I know the Bucks got blasted today by the Bears. That's kind of a bummer, but I'm always a fan of getting Buck stuff regardless of their season. Look at that. Raise the red flag. Awesome. I don't have that towel. Looks like we got a bandana, and I'll always take a Bucks bandana. We've also got a couple of beer koozies, or soda koozies, if you will. I love that. we've got a card charger with the Bucks logo on it. That's really cool. Looks like we got a Bucks territory bumper sticker. That's awesome. And might be a Bucks flag. Let me take a look. Yeah. And a Gerald McCoy Bucks jersey flag. Really cool. I love it. Man. So, like I said, I know Rob's package wasn't coin related, but man, that was very kind of Denise and Rob to send me a package. I'll have their channel link down below. Rob does coin hunts, but more importantly, does metal detecting. So, want to look at what he finds some pretty cool stuff. A lot better than me. So, really cool package. Denise, Rob's better half, and Rob, of course. I appreciate it very much. Everyone, I appreciate the packages this week. We got some more stuff to add to the collection, some stuff to put up in the game room, put on the car, you name it. Some stuff for trade. I love doing that when I can. And as always, because I've been given such support, I will ask you one more time, check out the channel links down below. Show our coin community some support by subscribing to their channel, and that's all I can ask. I hope you enjoyed this Sunday shout out and mail call episode with me. We got some good packages from some good people. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting. And thanks for watching.